Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be flying with KLM from Kuala Lumpur to Jakarta. My gate is at this satellite terminal, so I need to use SKYTRAIN to reach my gate. Here is my plan today, KLM Boeing 777-200ER. Now, let's just board the aircraft and hope you enjoy my video. And here is my seat today, 44A at the last row on the economy class. The in-flight entertainment on this Boeing 777 have wide range of music, movies, and TV show.
And cabin crew on this line.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. For transit passengers, a new crew has come on board to bring you further to Jakarta. My name is Anita Dieters and I'm your purser on this flight. My colleague purser today is Marianne de Kruijf.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board this flight. While we are in the middle of this authentic Royal Delft pottery, we would like to explain the safety information on board your KLM flight through the fine art of Delft blue. Please pay attention to every detail. For your safety, make sure your carry-on luggage is stowed before taxi, takeoff and landing. Small electronic devices may be used at all times when set to airplane mode and secured in your hand or feet, and follow the instructions of the crew. Please take a moment now to locate the nearest emergency exit. Be aware, the exit may be behind you near your seat. At KLM Royal Dutch Airlines, we care about every little detail of your flight safety. If you have any questions, our cabin crew is here to help you. Thank you for your attention. On behalf of KLM Royal Dutch Airlines, we wish you a very pleasant flight.
Soon after takeoff, cabin crew start distributing earphone. KLM serve hot snack on this route, also followed by wide range of beverages. After 1 hour and 15 minutes flight, we start our descent to Jakarta.
Jakarta. Please remain seated. As soon as the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off, you may collect your personal belongings from your seat pockets and the overhead luggage bins. Please be careful when opening the luggage bins. Luggage could fall out unexpectedly. If you like, you may turn on your telephone or other electronic devices again.
Before leaving the aircraft, I have a chance to visit the cockpit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Bye!